Alright, so we are back for another video, guys, and today we're gonna check out another USB DAC combo. This is the IKKO ITM01, and this is really exciting because this has support for your iPhone. And actually, it's been a while since I was searching for maybe a replacement or an upgrade from my advanced access port, because this has been my go-to for iOS for maybe 3 years now. And people have been asking me for a dongle that can work for their iPhones, and this might be just the answer for that. This is around $60 here from IKKO ITM01 portable DAC amplifier, ESS customized DAC hi-fi as well, anti-interference magnet support, ES9298 Pro DAC as well, 32-bit decoder, and you are also getting some DSD as well. And of course, here in the channel, I do use USB DACs a lot because I'm always on the go. Sometimes I don't want to bring my bigger DAPs. Sometimes I just want to bring a really simple setup, and you like to have better sound quality, and this can save you in a pinch. So I always just have one of these in my bag. And of course, this is your removable cable here, and you can actually change it up to maybe a USB-C as well. So if you both have Android and iOS, you can use this both. I actually do have both phones, and actually this is quite light here. So even if it's maybe a bit bigger compared to maybe my advanced access port, this is actually a light unit here, and actually this is made of metal as well, so definitely better built compared to my advanced access port. So this is maybe 3 years old now, and actually because of that maybe matte finish, this has actually a bit of stickiness to the overall texture. So this might be a bit better with the metal trims here, and you're getting that buttons as well, plus, minus, and of course the confirm button, and you're getting that IKKO as well at the side, and of course on top you're getting that 3.5mm jack. Metal and build really feels good in the hand here. So putting the adapter in, so actually it's magnetic here. That's quite interesting. So let's put it in, and yeah, very simple kind of package here, and this is what the overall look is gonna be. So actually this is a bit bigger compared to what you're getting with the advanced access port. Also the length as well of your cable is a bit bigger as well. This might be a bit big for some people. And also interesting here, you're getting maybe a desktop setup here. So this is really nice here. So you can have this as a desktop setup. So this might be one of the major advantage of this. So it's a modular kind of design. So interesting, you have $60, but you're getting a desktop setup as well. So you can have this docked in your PC, and you can just grab this and be on the go, and plug this in your iPhone, and then go back to your PC, plug this in. So very nice here overall. So that is a nice setup, and actually I do have a USB-C as well. So you have 3 configurations here, which is definitely really interesting here. So for the price that you're paying for, actually you're getting a braided cable, some leather trims as well. Really good for the price that you're paying for in terms of the overall package here. I would love it to have a case though, but it's okay. Really nice in terms of the overall package here. So let's try to have our first listening these. So first, in terms of the power, this is around 25% powering the cathode to a really good volume. So even for more powerful IEMs, it will resolve this really nicely. These are first impressions for me. Compare this to the advanced access port. So the IKKO is definitely more musical to listen to, more lively to listen to. So your advanced access port is going to be a bit more relaxed to listen to. So in terms of the overall presentation, this is in the warmer side of things as well. So this is not going to be your clean presentation. So this is still more fun to listen to. So maybe compared to their IEMs, that has also some musicality to the sound. You're also getting it here with the IKKO ITM01s. In terms of the detail retrieval resolution, it's fair for me for the price. So it definitely plays in that price range. So I still find maybe my Videos B1s to have better resolution, especially for the Moondrop Kato. But maybe one of the key advantages here of the ITM01s for me is you actually have big stage here for me. So compared to maybe your usual USB DACs here, the sound stage is gonna be bigger. The separation is gonna be better as well. A bit more impactful to the sound as well. A bit more lively in the overall sound. Using this in the Moondrop Kato, so I'm looking still for a bit more resolution to maximize the Moondrop Kato. So I will maybe recommend this for maybe $100 below range. That's maybe the perfect match for me in the price range in the ITM01s. Let's try out the HD4XX's planar headphone. First, in terms of the volume, I do need 60% volume to be able to drive the 4XXs properly. So yes, you do have still some overhead for even more powerful headphones here. Still not a detail monster for headphones as well. So even for planars, the planar driver has a bit of speed there. But here in the 4XXs, of course, I'm still looking for a bit more micro detail. So it definitely plays the part in that price range, but this won't be your game-breaking, kind of USB DAC here. Right next, we have the TC01 for our comparison. Right from the get-go, in terms of the price range, this definitely fits the ITM01s more. So it brings up the soundstage in the TC01s. and really lively in the presentation as well. So the T01s is already lively, and having the ITM01s is definitely a nice pairing for this. Actually, for me, for the ITM01s, the dynamic driver is maybe the best pairing for me here. So you're getting a bit more warmth in the overall sound. You're getting that physicality in the sound, bigger sound stage as well. So maybe the Moondrop RS as well will be really nice here overall. Alright, so let's try to close this thing. So for the ITM01s, what do I think of it? So I actually think that for $60, this is well worth the price that you are paying for. So for me, this is the most versatile DAC dongle that I have seen in the $59 range, in the budget range here. So you're getting iOS support, Android support as well, PC support. So you have a multi-platform support here, and this is the first time that I've seen, having iOS support and also Android support at the same time. So definitely that versatility improves the value proposition of the ITM01s. And I do like that I have a modular kind of design as well. You can use this on the go, plug it off, and go into your PC and use this as well. You have the cable for you waiting in your PC. Definitely that kind of use case. You can have a desktop setup and also an on-the-go setup for $60. I think you're getting a lot of value for the money. So that's my take with the ITM01s here. Really interesting. We do need more and more of this kind of products. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpolt video. Goodbye.